Hola chicos, so what we're going to do is I'm going to take you through the translations that were practice translations for your Unit 2B test. I know sometimes it's just a little easier to hear somebody explain why they did what they did. So if you need this resource, it's a great resource for you. If not, maybe just the answer key is good enough for you, whatever works for you. So let's go ahead and start with the first sentence. Let's do it in chunks. I think it's always easier to deal with things that way. The green pants are on the desk. Let's do it in pieces. So we have the green pant. Los pantalones goes first. It's always followed by its adjective. Verde is the color green, but the pants are plural, so we have to make it verdes. They are. It's where they are located. And for how we feel and where we are, always use the verb estar is your verb. The conjugation is going to be están because they are located there. On the desk, en el pupitre, or if you want to say en el escritorio, eso está bien también. That's fine with me too. It's really up to you if that's what you want to do. I'm not specifying the kind of desk, so pick whichever one you want. Let's do número dos. Jose wears some blue jeans. So Jose is going to be the person doing something. There's our subject. He's going to be wearing some blue jeans in chunks. Here we go. So Jose is our subject. In the back of our mind, we know Jose is equivalent to él. The verb to wear is llevar. So lleva. That's your conjugation for él. Some blue jeans. Some is the plural of a or an. So unos, because it's masculine. Jeans. The color is going to go after it. Azul is the color blue, but jeans are plural, so we have to make it azules. Jose lleva unos jeans azules. There we go. How about número tres? You need a book in math class. So you are going to need something. What you're going to need is a book. Where you're going to need it is in math class. So you need, if I don't specify you, assume you is tú. So tú, the verb to need, necesitar. We're going to chop off the AR, necesitar. We're going to add the ending for tú, which is as. What do you need? Un libro. Where do you need it? En la clase de matemáticas. Matemáticas con un acento sobre la A. Okay, so an X marker over that A. Let's do this kind of statement is an I statement. There is or there are, same word, a red skirt, two chunks. There is or there are. Hay, all one word. A red skirt. A and skirt go together. Una. Falda. The falda is rojo, that's red, but you have to ask yourself, this is describing una falda. Una falda is feminine and singular. Roja. Hay una falda roja. I'm going to slide this up to the next group of sentences. Pardon me while I bump my camera a little bit. It'll be fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Yeah, there we go. That's good. We got this. All right, so here we go. Ooh, it's like all kinds of cockeyed and weird. Will that weird you out? It is going to weird me out. There we go. All right, so there are some green shirts. The shirts are going to be green. So there is and there are, same word, some green shirts. Here we go. Hay. Some, once again, is unos, but in this case, camisa is feminine. So unas. Word for shirt is camisa. Make it plural. Camisas. They're going to be green. Verde. But verde is singular. Unas camisas, what you're describing, is plural. So unas camisas verdes. Hay unas camisas verdes. Done. Número seis. Pedro and I are going to be the ones studying. What are we studying? English. Where are we studying it? In school. So, Pedro y yo. Now, in your brain, that is nosotros. But on paper, it's Pedro y yo. What are we doing? We are studying. Estudiar. But we're going to chop off the AR. Add your ending for nosotros. Estudiamos. What are we studying? Inglés. Where are we studying it? En el colegio. Because colegio is the vocab word we're focused on right now. En la escuela is also correct. We're just focusing on the word colegio for now. All right? Number 7, I am in Spanish class. So here's the problem. You have I am. and I'm in Spanish class. It's where I'm located. Well, yo soy is I am, and so is yo estoy. So you have to ask yourself, which one do I pick? If you can throw in the word located or feeling, you know you have to pick a star. For how we feel and where we are, always choose the verb estar. I am located in Spanish class. It shows our location. So absolutely yo estoy. You use yo soy for like yo soy de los Estados Unidos, like I'm from the United States, showing your origin, not where you're currently located. In Spanish class, en la clase de español, all lowercase, tilde over that N. It's not a pretty tilde, but you get the idea. Okay? Add a period at the end of my sentence. I want you to notice how I've used a beautiful capital letter at the beginning of sentences, because I know we forget this sometimes, but sentences do require capital letters at the beginning, even in Spanish. Kiddos, you know I love you, but all right. Last one. Carla and Anita, they're going to talk on the cell phone. So in our brains, we know it's the same as ellas, but for now, Carla y Anita. The verb to talk is hablar, but you're going to chop off the AR. You're left with the stem. Let's add the ending for ellas, hablan. Now, this is going back to exploratory Spanish. It's not hablar en teléfono, it's hablar por teléfono. Remember that? But not just telefono. Telefono, listen to me. Teléfono, cell phone would be teléfono. Throw that accent mark over the E, teléfono. Celular. It's cellular, just one less L. Okay, so there we go. Those are your sentences for your translations. I hope that's helpful to have a little guidance through that.